na lang. Sabihin mo. For the vlog. Sobrang puti ko naman dito. Okay guys, I'm done with my makeup. Ang usapan talaga is 1 PM kami aalis ng kapatid ko, but it's already 2:34. Pero paalis naman na kami kasi done na ako sa makeup. This one's nice. This is for 198 pesos. Maliit lang siya, very compact. Cute Sanrio totes. So, hi guys, look at this one. I've been eyeing these glasses for a very long time. As in, ilang beses ko na itong ina-eye dito sa Flying Tiger. Gusto ko to kasi pag mag-jogging, like, pwede siyang maging laptop. Sure tayo dito. Just visiting my dream iPad. So, hi guys! Inaantay na lang namin mag 5:30 because 5:30 pa yung binili naming ticket. So, nagpapalipas muna kami ng oras. At habang nagpapalipas kami ng oras, medyo napapagastos na po ako, no? And after namin manood, kikitain na namin sila Aika. Mga 7 PM yata matatapos yung Inside Out 2. So, we're here na guys. Just waiting na mag 1:30. Kailangan na oras na ba? 10 minutes na lang. Masarap.
We can't control whether Riley makes the team, but what can we do?
It's done! What can you say, George?
Maganda.
Maganda. Balik ko naman magkwento. Yun na, pero ako. Kasi nga, di ba, kung ganun lang yung buhay ko, wala ka lalaki. Wala. Kasi nga, di ba, mga standards ko.
So this is actually a nice topic to talk about, and my take on that question, wala ka bang lalaki, is that I am actually in the peak of my life right now where I have so many opportunities and blessings regarding my career and life goals. And what I meant of what I said earlier na puro, alam mo naman, puro ganun lang yung buhay ko, something like that. What I meant by that is my life revolves around work, school, business, family, friends, self-improvements, more self-reflections, genuinely knowing myself more, and lots of alone time. Being a working student, handling a business, and working on my YouTube, doing all of those things all in the same time is actually not easy. So, in conclusion, I do not know where I can get time if ever I'll have a boyfriend. And also one thing, I believe that there's more to life than having a boyfriend or a man or centering men in our lives. I actually cringe every time I see someone who is desperate for men validation or someone who can't live without men. Like, imagine a life like that. Not to be a hypocrite, but I know that I used to be one of them at some point of my life, but that was me a year ago. And hello, I am not born to please a man. I sound like a man hater right now, which I believe I am, but I don't want to embrace it. I'm not proud of it because I don't want to live a life with hatred. Plus, I do not want to generalize men. So, I believe that there are still good guys out there. I hope so. Despite being busy and having this kind of mindset, I'm still open. Oh, biglang ganun. Like, hindi ko naman sinasarado yung puso ko, but, you know, I'm just in a go with the flow state, and I just trust God's plan. So, yeah, whatever happens, happens. So, yeah, that's all. There's actually more I want to say, but I think this is long enough, and maybe soon we'll talk about it again in my next videos. So, thank you if you've reached this point. I hope it didn't bore you. So, this day guys, hindi ako pumasok. It's the first day of our mid-year classes. And hindi ako pumasok dahil tinamad ako. Hindi ako lumuwas ng Manila. So, ang ginawa ko lang, gumawa ako ng beads while watching that movie with mommy. And I just want to say that this is a highly reco movie. Please, please, please watch it. There's lots of learnings and lessons from this movie. And the plot, it's so nice guys. You better watch it.
Hey guys, We're gonna try Zeus coffee. Ay, wala may Zeus. May coffee na talaga yun. Zeus coffee's matcha, iced matcha latte. Let's go. Hindi ko hindi pa nakahalo uli sa ilalim. Pero, hindi ko ang sarap niya, ang creamy niya sila. Ano? Ang creamy niya na agad eh. Pero paano pa kaya pag nahalo na? Diba? Parang full cream milk yung ginamit. Eh, di ba